What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on the infill lots, back at you with some more epic wild content. If you could be so kind, go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any more epic wild content that I drop twice a week, every Wednesday and every Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Couple announcements. If you are local to the Charlotte market, I will be hosting a meetup each and every the dates change because of the holidays, but this month we're going to be at November 19th at 6 to 8 p.m. on Moorhead Street. The link is in the description. Come on out, check your boy out, come show some love. Without further ado, today we're going to jump right into this topic. We're talking about unique ways to find buyers, okay? Very, very important. I want to give you a ton of different ways to find buyers. How to vet buyers, how to see if they're the real deal, Holyfield. Very, very important that you be aligned with the right type of buyer. Very, very important, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this video. And basically what I want to do is, all right, so as you can see, this is a subdivision. All right. Let's see. All right. So you will need a paid tool for this. You will need PropStream. PropStream is $100. It is not free 99. If you can't afford PropStream, partner with someone, and basically, y'all split it half and half, or partner with 3-4 people. I mean, do whatever you got to do to get it done. Okay. All right. So what we're talking about here is unique ways to find buyers. All right. So what you want to do is, if you have a subject property, if you got a opportunity or a deal that you're looking for, you want to just basically put that address in PropStream. If it does not have a complete address, you want to get a house next to that property. Okay. All right. So this is the county GIS system. All right. So we'll use this for example. All right, and I'm looking for a property that does not have a complete address, and in hopes of, all right, let's see what we got. All right, well, this have a complete address. All right, give me 1 second. Just trying to find you something with an incomplete address. All right, that has an address. All right, looks like, okay, right here. So let's just say that this was your subject property. All right, backs up right to apartment complex, decent lot. What you want to do is basically click on something next to it, and that will give you an address. Let's just say that we trying to get this property under contract, and we need to find a buyer ASAP, okay? No worries. Very easy to do. So you just want to go ahead and take this address right here and put it inside of PropStream. All right, so you want to click on details. It said that this property is owned by a corporate owner. All right, they own this since 1955. Let's see what else they got. Okay, so they own 35 properties. They hold a bunch of rentals and a bunch of dirt in Charlotte, which is beautiful. Okay. They might be looking to sell, but that's not what this is all about. This is all about finding a buyer for this property. So you want to go to both. You want to go to property class. You want to go to vacant land. All right. And you want to go property type. All right, cool. Everything else is good. All right. Yep, everything else is good. All right, so you want to do cash buyer, okay? You want to do that cash buyer. You want cash buyers, okay? All right. So if you look right here on the map, this is one lot that's sold right here, #1. It probably was a house right here. And I can tell it was a house because I see pictures right here. Northway, 623 Northway, 60,000. So you want to click on that one. That's number 2. So your lot is over here. This lot is over here. Details. So this is MLS sold. So you just want to click on details. And as you can see, Bondstone Holdings, that's actually a buddy of mine's. It's a buddy of mine's. Let's see how many properties he got. Sheesh. Got a lot of them. Alright, so Bondstone Holdings. And basically what you want to do is you want to skip trace this company right here. Or if you want to, you can go under Agent D. I actually sold this lot. That's crazy. Because this is my agent right here. Alright, so the easiest way you can do this is you can call this agent and say, hey, I see you sold a lot on so-and-so. Do you think your buyer would be interested in another lot? All they're going to do is reach out to them. That's why I like this. Yeah, but I listed this lot and I sold this to my buddy at the beginning of the year for $60,000. All right. And that's one hack you can do it is call the agent directly. Okay. Call the agent directly. Let's see what this is about. This might be a house because I see the number is 183,000. Unless this is acreage, this is a house. Belmont Community Development. Again, this is a house, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, as I suspected. And to really figure that out, you can just scroll over here, and as you can see, you can verify that it's a house. So you don't want to waste your time, clicking on house comps. But these are more comps that's right in this area. That's cash sales. This one is pretty low because I sold this. This lot could be subdivided. I sold it for $30 a pad. So as you can see, this one seems about right, about 15,000. All right, let's click on this. 50,000. All right, Helsman Homes. I know this buyer too. All right, cool. Let's see how many properties they own. So you go to the MLS details, Steve Eppley, and again, you can call old boy and be like, man, I see, that y'all got a lot over there that you selling at so-and-so and so-and-so. Do you think your buyer will be interested in another lot? Okay. Another way you can do it is the traditional way where you just skip trace the LLC. And very easy to do, especially in the state of North Carolina. If you want to skip trace the LLC. And I want to skip trace them because they own a lot of dirt. And I want to call them right now. So very easy to skip trace. Just go to your Secretary of State. So all I did was NCLLC search. They're active. William Robertson, agent. He's the manager. I want to get him on the phone. I want to go to the most recent annual report. And I'm going to call him right now. Phone number right here. He may say, which property are you talking about? You just want to click on link property so you can be prepared. Again, I'm going to sort them. That way I can see all the lots first. I want to see all the land first. But Lynn Street, I like Lynn Street. I like Key Street. I like all these Lynn Street properties. I like all the Lynn Street properties. So definitely want to hit them up. And I'm calling him from my personal number, which I probably shouldn't. I probably should call him from a business number. Let me do that too. But I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear it. That's the only catch. And I don't want to call it and then you can't hear the call. So hopefully you can hear this call. 704-394-1050. Hopefully you can hear it. Probably an office phone.
Thank you for calling Robinson Realty. Unfortunately, no one's in at the moment to accept your call, but if you would like to leave a message in reference to one of our houses or a 1, 2, or 3 bedroom at Ravenwood Hills, please do so by leaving your name and number at the sound of the beep. Thank you and have a good day.
Good morning. My name is Damien Dupee with Creative Land Solutions. I was calling in reference to some vacant land on Lynn Street and Key Street and wanted to see was there any interest in possibly selling. Feel free to give me a call back at 704-842-9933. Again, my number is 704-842-9933. Thank you. All right, again, he got his company information on there. No worries. If I wanted to, I could skip trace him personally and try to get him on the phone. He probably been in the game a while. William C. Robinson, Charlotte, North Carolina. I actually like skip tracing people. It's kind of fun. And this is how you can make a lot of money. If you don't have any money invested, this is how you can make a lot of money. It's a lot of work, but you can make a lot of money doing it. So I don't know if it's a junior or a senior. I don't know. But I'm about to try to call him on my personal cell phone so y'all can hear it. Hopefully you can hear this.
Please leave a message. Thank you. At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
I'm not sure if I have the right number or not. I was trying to reach a Mr. Robinson in reference to some vacant land in Charlotte, North Carolina on Key Street and Lynn Street. My name is Damien Dupee with Creative Land Solutions. You can give me a call back at 202-321-5846. Thank you. Again, I try all the wireless numbers first, and then I keep it moving. But that's exactly how you can find buyers using PropStream. Just make sure you do comparables and you make sure you do cash sales, and it will show you all the LLCs. That's what you really want.
The show.
Hey, trying to reach Mr. Robinson. This is Damien with Creative Land Solutions.
Yes, sir.
I stumbled across. I see you own a slew of properties, but I like the dirt you own. Oh, I think he hung up on me. I'm gonna call him back because I was getting into it. He said, "Yes, sir." Back at it, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be scared.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm sorry we got disconnected. I was inquiring about some vacant land on Lynn Street and Key Street.
Yes, sir.
Would you have any interest in possibly selling?
$7 million.
Why so much?
Because I want it.
You've been in the game a while, man. You deserve it. Have a good one.
All right, thanks.
All right. Again, ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people know what they got in Charlotte. Overpriced. They're aware of what's going on, the comps. They got agents around them. They know the numbers. But long story short, don't get discouraged. Keep calling. Keep dialing. Keep it on. All right. Appreciate you so much. Thank you. Hopefully you got some value out of this. Again, don't forget, just make sure you put a cash buyer. That's going to get all your LLCs. That's what you want. You want the LLCs. You don't want to be calling the regular people. And hopefully this helps you in some form of fashion. Thank you so much.